What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage. Hope everyone's had a good Thanksgiving holiday. I'm bringing to you today a 2019 Mini Cooper Cabriolet. Very cool little car. I have never driven a Mini. Oh, look at the little Easter eggs. It says Mini and then Mini right there on the bulb. Pretty cool. Got some little wheels. Not sure what trim level this is. I'm not up to date on my Mini packages. But I do see that it's just a standard Cooper. So no S or anything like that. It may be the 3-cylinder turbo. It does have leather. Looks like it has nav and heated seats. Let's check it out. Well, we'll start by looking under the hood. Always liked how the hood's cut out around these headlights. Okay, this is next to impossible to open. Oh boy. Alright, maybe we won't look under the hood. I'll have to Google that one. Let's just go ahead and just jump right in and go for a ride. Oh my gosh! This thing is small. Oh my gosh, it's so small. But man, I am 6'3", and I have got tons of leg room. I mean, I can barely reach the steering wheel. Oh, no rear seat. Okay, this could be interesting. Could be definitely a fun car for maybe 1 or 2 people at most. This car belongs to the people that have the 2021 Lexus LX 570 that I have just sold. That's right. They bought it new September 11th, and I sold it Wednesday. I sold it for $101,000. They paid $107 for it. I thought we could make a little money on it, or at least get our money back, but just didn't happen. Just didn't happen. Turned out the dealers weren't quite as interested in those because they're old and been around a while. Doorbells and sleigh bells and schnitzel. Wow, cool. That was the start button there. Pretty neat. Let's get a heated seat going. Well, what a neat little ride. Oh, the tires are low. They do not drive this car very much at all. This is like a 4th car for them. Oh yeah. It has 12,957 miles. They bought this just to go up to nice backup camera. It's just got great picture quality. Yeah, they bought this little car just to ride up to the casinos of North Carolina and just drop the top and have a little fun. And what a perfect little car for that. Well, isn't this tidy? Just tidy. Wonder how we get our map. Boy, it does not like the fact that these tires are low. I mean, give me a navigation screen. Give me something else to look at. Not happening. All right. I'm having to scoot the seat up. This darn thing has got so much leg room. I think I could enjoy driving something like this. Heck yeah, man. I don't know if I'd really want a convertible, but I could probably get behind just the little two-door hatchback. Seemed like a good economical way to get around and go. They did tell me that they bought this one from the original owners with 9,000 miles, so they've only had it for about 4,000 miles. The original owners sold it because they couldn't get their small kids, too small. And the current owners of it now complain, of course, of the same thing. Too small. Can't carry the groceries in it, can't get the grandkids in it, But what did you expect when you bought it? I mean, you just can't make everyone happy, huh? I think it's a cool little car. And there's a little Countryman right there, a little 4-door Countryman. All right, give it all the beans. Let's see what we got. Wow. Pretty peppy, not too bad. And very smooth. I mean, it really is. Very, very smooth. Golly, I'm very surprised. .65 miles per hour, turning about 2,000 RPMs. I mean, this little gauge cluster is really cool. I wish we could get this to do something a little different. Definitely a little darty. But this thing is quiet. Huh. I mean, that top is tight as a drum. Nice leather seats. I mean, I know these things have been around now for what? Since 03 or 04 now? Largely unchanged, but it still feels pretty relevant here. Pretty cool. I love the little push button start switch. That's neat. The climate control. The little cool screen here with all the different colors. Pretty neat little ride. The windshield is very upright, very straight up and down, like a Jeep or something. Let's shoot her down the interstate and see what we got. Sorry about the sun, guys. For some reason I got cut off back there on the interstate. Not sure what's going on with the camera here. Drop a comment below. Tell me what motor is in this thing. I don't have a clue. 2019 Mini Cooper Cabriolet. I might include a snippet of the top going down. I'll wait until I get back to the house. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. Peace. I figured out some of this multimedia. I was sitting here playing with these knobs, and duh, there's a BMW type MMI down here. So you hit menu, you can get your driving information, satellite radio, telephone calls, just your system settings, FM presets, vehicle settings, mini assist, USB, openometer. Let's see what that is. 23 hours of open top. No, 126 hours of open top. It does not have nav that I can find, but it does have, you know, some media functions, and your satellite radio and such. Let's see, what else did we got? There's your phone calls, like notifications. I guess you can get text and what have you. I thought that was maybe the nav, but it says mini connected. So that's like your mini assist, manage your mobile devices. Yeah, this is a pretty basic little head unit here. My Mini. You got all your vehicle settings and stuff like that, driving information. Huh. Pretty cool, pretty cute. Yeah, pretty cute. Thought we would do the top. Okay. Wow. Oh, so it rolls back like a sunroof. No kidding. There it goes. I'll be dipped. Well, is that not the coolest thing? Alright, so there it is. The top down. Now that is pretty cute, y'all. That looks like a heap of fun. Man, no leg room back there. Yep, that looks like a blast. Oh. Alright, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. We appreciate you watching. And we will see you next time. Peace. Small little boot with a little tailgate. Well, isn't that cute? Guys, that is tiny, tiny. Holy cow. That has to be the 3-cylinder. It has to be. I mean, the whole engine is just 2 feet wide. Well, I tell you what, they did a pretty darn good job making a pretty smooth 3-cylinder that's got some actual get up and go. I can't believe it. It's got some guts.